for Christmas we've bought these salt and pepper mills. They are pretty small, so they fit up here in the cabinet. But we bought the sea salt, but it's a wet sea salt, not refined, pure sea salt and wet. We filled that in our salt mill, and when you turn it, it won't mill the salt. Now, after 1.5 months, we finally bought a dry salt, a salt mill in Poundland for £1, and so I'll rinse this one, let it dry really good, and then fill the salt in, and then finally we have a working salt mill again. Have you ever wondered why a salt mill has often a ceramic mill and a pepper mill, a metal one? Well, I just read the ceramic salt mill crushes the salt really into fine pieces and it can't rust. But the pepper one, you won't have the full flavor because you crush the pepper, and the metal one slices the pepper grain into pieces, and then you have a full flavor. It's already the next morning and we'll fill the salt into the mill. Woo! Done. This evening, dinner time, we used our salt mill. Well, actually we tried to use it. It's still wet inside and there won't come any salt out. Let it dry another few days and try it then again. We're standing now in Wick at a laundrette. Well, in Scotland it's quite difficult to find a laundrette. North of Inverness there are almost no laundrettes, only on campsites, and we don't go to campsites. So in Wick, where we are now, is one, and in Thurso is one. We haven't been there yet. And we came here yesterday at 4 PM and they closed at 5, so it was too late to wash and dry because each takes approximately half an hour. So this morning, 9 AM, they opened and we washed all the clothes. Big machine is £8, normal machine is £5, dryer is about £4. It depends on how much is in it. It looks really good. It's clean. The detergent is added automatically, so it works perfectly. The staff is friendly, so we can recommend this one. Better than the last one. That's not better to have a hot shower and then walk out and have this view. We're at the most northwestern point of Scotland, Duncansby Head, and over there's Orkney, or the Orkney Islands. Oh. We woke up from sheep actually.
That was so funny because they're shy over day and they run away if they see you. But actually, as everybody was asleep, they were here, they
scrubbing
played,
onto the RVs.
They scrubbed themselves on the RVs. They ate on the RVs, they drank out of the dog bowls.
Yeah.
It was very funny to watch.
We're now leaving
Duncansby Head.
It's a beautiful spot. You can really go see the puffins. Walking, flying, everything.
They're so cute.
For good pictures we'll mix them from yesterday and today. Yesterday was a little bad weather. The grey clouds came in and it started to rain. And today it was beautiful. Few clouds, sun. Yeah.
Yeah, really nice spot, and it's very special to see the puffins in real life, to see them doing their thing and live so great. Yeah. But also just very big, fluffy clouds. They're so amazing. It looks so nice even with the bad weather.
And now we are leaving to fill the water and then go to Thurso.
Yeah, and I have a feeling that something special awaits us there.
With a little help from Amazon. We got the package, just 2 of them. Now quick to the car and then we'll open it. Back in the RV, let's open it. We're filming with the GoPro and we all know the sound is pretty crap when it's windy. So we got this one. A small little microphone, and I hope it improves the sound. With the dead kitten, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, you know probably already if the sound improved. But well, we're now inside, there's no wind, so actually we'll see when we are outside. So the next videos should be better than this one. We ordered from Amazon, they say. Order it now and we'll deliver it tomorrow. And when you do that, often products can't be delivered to North Scotland. So we wanted to buy a microphone and they couldn't send it to North Scotland. So that's a little downside. But let's see what's inside here. Yeah, we decided to buy this one, Canon EOS M50. Let's unbox it. Oh man, a British battery. Lens. Charger. And the camera. Well, we just talked about sound. Now we have a camera without microphone. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. But we thought of that and have a solution. A second microphone for the second camera. I hope that will work. It looks a little... Whoa! One downside is the camera has the tripod mount on the bottom, and right beside of that there's the flap for the battery and the SD card. So normally we have a tripod mount screwed to the camera and we never unscrew that, but now we have to unscrew it every time to charge the battery of something. Or maybe we can charge the battery with USB cable. Yeah, first video. Now the Rode microphone is attached to the Canon camera, so I hope the sound is good. And then we switch to the GoPro without any microphone, just internal microphone, and then back to the Canon. Yeah, we've arrived at our spot for tonight.
Yeah.
It's again a beautiful spot.
So nice, guys.
We say it every day, but it is.
Yeah, this time it's especially nice because it's so quiet. We're just, I don't know if we're still in Melvich or just outside of it. It was a very small, rocky, small little steep road leading to the beach, and yeah, we're here. It's so amazing.
And it's behind a hilltop, so we can't hear the street, the village. We hear nothing.
No, it's very quiet. There are no people except for fishermen that drove by, and yeah, you have the sea and cliffs that you look at. It's so nice.
Here's nobody.
No. Yeah, so that's very nice. A nice change from where we stood last night. It was a spectacular place, but there were so many people.
11 RVs.
Yeah, it was almost like a campsite.
With 1 meter, 3 feet in between. Yeah. Very close to each other.
Very cozy campers, yeah. No, so it's a nice change, beautiful spot. We're very happy, and we're so lucky to be able to do this, to camp. We're just happy. I'm just happy. You too?
Yep.
Great, guys. We'll see you around.